Welcome to the ABC4 News at 10 o'clock. I'm Emily Flores.
And I'm Glenn Mills. Thanks so much for joining us. While local leaders say Utah's response to the flood so far has been a success, many homeowners have a different story, saying they've lost everything. Some were told they could get assistance from FEMA because of the governor's emergency declaration. But as ABC4's Courtney Johns reports, that's not the case. She's live in studio to explain. Courtney.
Yeah, Glenn, the outside of this Draper neighborhood, you wouldn't even know it's flooding. But for the people who have basements in this area, some of them have seen it flood several times.
We had professionals come out and they've even told us there's nothing we can do to prevent the flooding. The ground is saturated 6 to 8 feet deep, and we just pretty much have to deal with all the flooding that's happening right now and hope for the best.
The woman we spoke with says her basement actually used to be her mother's apartment, and now, as you can see right there, it's completely gutted. She says she thought her homeowner's insurance would cover something like this, but as we have been reporting for months now, that's not the case. You have to get separate flood insurance. Another misconception we've been hearing is that Governor Cox's state of emergency means FEMA will cover the damage of these homes. That's not true. In order for that to happen, the president would have to issue an emergency declaration for Utah, and even then, may not happen. From there, FEMA can issue 2 types of grants, public and individual assistance grants. Now, these individual assistance grants could potentially cover damages to homes, but we would need to see significant, widespread damage across the state in order to receive this type of funding. And another thing to keep in mind with that funding from FEMA, if it were to happen, they don't give you money to restore your home to the condition it was in. Their job is to provide enough to make your home livable or provide temporary housing, which is why we are again reminding everyone that your homeowners, your renters insurance does not cover flood damage. And depending on the policy that you do purchase, it can take up to 30 days for that flood insurance to activate. Back to you.